China has accused Nvidia of violating its anti-monopoly laws, and this comes right as the US and China are holding trade talks in Spain. Nvidia, the world's most valuable chipmaker, is now in the middle of one of the biggest tech power struggles of our time. The Chinese regulator said Nvidia broke commitments it made when it bought Mellanox Technologies back in 2019 for nearly $7 billion. Mellanox builds networking equipment used in data centers, supercomputers, and AI systems. When the deal was approved, Nvidia had promised regulators that it wouldn't block supplies or harm competition in China. Now, Beijing claims those promises were not kept. This move comes during tense U.S. China relations. Washington has already restricted the export of advanced semiconductors to China, worried about their use in artificial intelligence, supercomputing, and military projects. In return, Beijing has launched its own investigations into U.S. chipmakers and even announced anti-dumping probes on certain American-made chip. The Nvidia case is part of this much bigger picture. The global chip war. Chips are now as important as oil once was, powering everything from smartphones to AI, electric vehicles, and national defense systems. Whoever controls advanced chip supply chains controls the future of technology. Markets reacted fast. Nvidia's shares dropped after the news, with investors worried about how much business the company could lose in China, which has been one of its largest markets. At the same time, U.S. officials are negotiating tariffs and discussing whether companies like Nvidia will continue to have access to China at all. The U.S. and China have agreed on multiple pauses in their tariff fights before, but this latest clash shows how fragile the situation really is. Both countries are under pressure to reduce dependence on each other, but for Nvidia, losing China would mean losing billions in revenue. This story is still developing. Beijing says the investigation is ongoing, and Nvidia has not yet responded. But one thing is clear: Nvidia isn't just making chips anymore, it's caught right in the middle of global politics. What do you think? Is China really enforcing antitrust laws? Or is this just another move in the chip war with the United States? If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe. It really motivates us to create helpful videos.